What are the advantages of a cruelty-based divorce? Have you ever wondered what benefits a cruelty-based divorce might offer? This type of divorce can be a significant option for those facing extreme situations in their marriage. Let's break down the advantages that come with filing for divorce based on cruelty. Firstly, a cruelty-based divorce can lead to more favorable outcomes regarding property and custody. When one spouse proves that the other has engaged in extreme cruelty, it can influence how the court divides marital property. The spouse who demonstrates this behavior may receive a larger share of assets or gain an advantage in custody arrangements. This is especially important if children are involved and the abusive behavior has affected their well-being or the financial stability of the victim. Another advantage is the potential to avoid mandatory separation periods. In many states, couples seeking a no-fault divorce must go through a waiting period before finalizing the divorce. However, filing on the grounds of cruelty may allow the victim to bypass this waiting time. This means they can achieve a quicker resolution and escape the harmful environment sooner. Additionally, a cruelty-based divorce legally recognizes the abusive behavior of one spouse. This acknowledgement can provide emotional validation for the victim. It may also be essential for obtaining protective orders or other legal remedies that ensure the victim's safety and mental health. Moreover, filing for divorce based on cruelty can strengthen the legal position of the victim. Since this type of divorce requires evidence of intolerable behavior, the spouse filing must present proof that living together is insupportable. This can help bolster their case in court and defend against any false claims made by the accused spouse. It is also important to note that cruelty is not limited to physical abuse. Mental cruelty, such as humiliation, threats, or neglect, can also be grounds for divorce. This broad definition allows victims of various forms of abuse to seek divorce on fault grounds, which may not be possible under other categories. Lastly, filing for divorce on cruelty grounds may deter the abusive spouse from continuing harmful behavior during the divorce process. The allegations carry legal consequences and can impact their reputation and rights. In summary, a cruelty-based divorce offers practical and legal advantages by addressing abusive conduct directly. It can speed up the divorce process, influence favorable outcomes in property and custody matters, and provide legal recognition and protection for the victim. However, it is essential to gather sufficient evidence to prove the cruelty, as the process can be more complex and emotionally challenging than no-fault divorces.